So from the video text, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to know basically. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If for any reasons you want to do this, head over to your Telegram account. So what I'm gonna do right now, okay, let me say this, right? I'm gonna right click. You can see it here. So once you do this, you're gonna turn off the notification for any chats, right? So even if the person messaged you, you're not gonna get the message notification, right? Once you've muted it, right? So I'm gonna right click my mouse. This is it. So you can choose how long you wanna do this. It can be 1 hour, it can be 4 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 3 days. You can do this forever. So if I click on forever, I'm gonna click on done, right? So look here, you can see this a speaker, right, that is off. So this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.